How to change your Twitter password. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the password of your Twitter account. So the first thing you want to do is simply open up the Twitter application on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Twitter account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. After that, a bunch of various options will appear where you'll have to tap on the last option, which is settings and support. After that, scroll down and then tap on the option settings and privacy. Now you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to tap on the option your account. After that, you'll see an option named change your password, so simply tap on it. And then first of all, you'll have to enter your current password. Now once you've entered your current password, you'll have to create a new password for your Twitter account, which should be at least 8 characters, so simply type it in. Now once you've typed in your new password, simply confirm it by typing it again in the box below. Now once you've done that, simply tap on the option update password, and there you have it. That is basically how you change your Twitter account's password. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.